Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from Samsung Galaxy A25. So in the first step, open the Play Store and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. To show again this free creates banner, you have to restart the application. Click on the plus and choose source of your document. I'm gonna pick something from my gallery, get this photo for example, and click on the import. Now you can add this shape to your document or the picture. If you add a click on the arrow icon, now you can choose the filter for the photo to make it more visible, and click on the accept icon. Now choose the country from the list and type the number in this place. To send the message, just click on this button. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.